Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on Upptalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say Upptalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
What did you change? It is coming static value only. Is it because it is a display? That record is a display. Is it because that field is a display? It is a view only field. Actually, this is edit mode only. We are unable to fetch the current record. It is giving an empty only. Let me now just alert this context by email. Actually, record is not coming. You can see that record was coming empty only. Actually, this should provide the value. I don't know why it is not coming right now, but you understood now that we can do this kind of customization which pays in it. And similarly, you can use field change. If you want, I can continue these things by setting a value in page init mode. If you would like from here, or we can move to any other script. Which way you would like, we can continue that way. Say that again. Continue which way? What do you say? I'm saying that if you would like, we can continue from here itself by setting a value in page init mode itself. Or we can continue in this client script only. Or if you would like, we can go to any server side script. Let's try a set value. Let's try a set value and see. You are saying just to try a set value. I mean, today we just cover client side script. For set value, this is the syntax and we need to give the value here. Will you be able to do that? Because that field looks like it's a display field. Let's provide a static value, which is 1 second. I think that name has some weird problem. I think that is why value was not coming. Because I think it is not a record. We were not using the right variable. Right? That name is not a true field. It probably is a formula field or something. Is it a display field? Set value. We have used this set value. Instead of this, we need to use get value. Get value. Oh, the set value written anything. I will try to show you how we can set a value as well. Let's just try first getting the value only. I think you put a variable name value. When you set a value, does it need to give a variable? Let's reload it again. You can see that now the right value is coming above the cloud right. You can see it. What is the problem with this stuff? Actually, we were not logging right variable. I have provided name only, but I changed the name of variable name value. Now let's do one thing. We have get this value, the same value we want to set in any other field, right? Does that make sense? The same value should be set in any other field, right? I will copy it and need to change this syntax for set value. And the value should be this value. But you are setting the same thing, right? How are you? Let's use comments. Oh, let's try to reload this page. You can see that the value is set in comments field, right? What if I try to set a field name there? The field is on display only, right? Sorry, the name is display only, right? Can I actually set that field also? The same field, you want me to set the value. This field is now on display only, right? This is view only, right? You cannot change it. This field is not editable, right? If you try to set it, what will happen? Let's try. I think there is a script running might be, which may be a validate field just on a or maybe on page in it itself. They have made it the uneditable field. He can do that type of customization as well. According to you, let's just try to set the value in this field itself, right? For now, let me remove these. Let's remove this. Let's remove this as well. First, we will get the value of the same and we will set something which is that fine? No anything. I mean, you can put them over here. Now, according to us, first it will show us the value. What is the current value? Then it should set this value right. Let's copy this. It has set it. You have set it. Can the client script click on buttons? Can the client script click the buttons? I'm not getting what you're asking. Can you execute the buttons? Button. I mean this, we can click on this button. But right now we haven't provided any customization with this button on this button. No, no, no. Can the client script actually other than setting up a view, right? Can you execute any button on action on the buttons? No, actually, if we want to execute a button, we can particularly use server-side scripts. Oh, we cannot because anything, what will happen? Let's assume this, right? Anything, what will happen after clicking on this button, right? That will happen out of this UI, right? That did something which will come under server-side script. Does that make sense? Now you're saying, please, please, please go ahead. And let me ask you, just now that we have this record, that view is, let's say, for example, right now, right? How do I know what client script is executing on this screen, for example? Let's say somebody put some script inside there and I do not know this behaving strangely, but I do not know whether is it because there's a script or this is the behavior. How do I know? Actually, really we can't know that, but we do have an extension which is a scripted record. We can use that extension and it will show all the scripts which are running on this record. That is the only way I know. All the scripts, right? Even the standard script or your own script or whatever script, it will give all the scripts which are running currently on this particular record. That extension will be showing here. You can note the name scripted records for NetSuite. Can you go back to the customer where you put the script list, right? Customer, let's go to customer. Open the customer. If you right click and view source, you will be able to see our script. Right click and then view source. No, here we can't see that. Let me try adding that extension just to show you. Oh, this is a NetSuite specific. This is NetSuite specific. You only show all the NetSuite script. So it will only show NetSuite script. It will not show all the other format. How can we pin it extensions? It's acted. Oh no, no. There, it's already active. Is it this one? Let's see. Strangely, it does not show the scripted record. We are on this customer record, right? I will click on this. It will show us all the scripts which are running, all the script and all the workflows as well. It will show us where is ours, where is the one where is the one we uploaded. These are user event script. There is this client script. Five client script are there. Ours is this simple client script. And it also shows us in what mode it is. These all are in release mode and ours is in testing mode. Testing is basically only on your own user ID, right? The owner maybe is a bigger user. Only owner can use that. Only owner will get executed with the owner after we make it release. Normally development in NetSuite happens this way. We will make a script and we will do all the testing and we will make it release that the one who wants to test, they can test it and multiple users can test it. That way around, the development happens here. Now, couple of questions. How about, I think I have to go now, but tomorrow I would like to, do a server script and all this thing, right? Let's go a little bit on debugging, logging, those kind of things. In server script, we need to log all the things. Let me show you as well. But client script will not log, will not debug. Client script do not log the things we have, alert only. You can see that execution logs section, right? Here you saw that one error came. That is coming here, but we can't use log debug. In server-side script, we need to use log debug. We will see that how a value is coming in our log. All the logs will come here. But client script, you cannot client script. What will happen sometimes in certain way? It is, we can, but as of now it is something. Let me tell you what happens sometimes. We need to call a client script in any other script. Let's say write. What will happen? We are calling that script in another script. At that time, our client script will not be deployed to any particular record. Don't understand? Say that again. Can you say that again? Let's understand this thing. Right now, we deployed this script to customer record, right? And if I am trying to achieve a functionality, for that I have deployed server-side script, not a client-side script, right? But I need to perform certain action in client script as well. What I will do, I will call a client script in my server-side script. Oh, you can do that. We can do that. We can call a client script in other script as well. At that time, what will happen? We can log those things in that scenario, but because we haven't deployed the client script to any particular record, that is the only scenario we can log things in client script other than we can't. But if you want, we can use debugger. With debugger, you can just check the values here in console itself. Debugger, but how do you debug? This console is there. How do you debug? Let's say like the problem just now, you have right. You can get the name to come out other than using the alert. What else can you do? If it was not alert, we can use debugger in our script and we will see that till where our script was executed. Let's say we wanted to log 3434. We were getting 4 values at the same time, right? In console, we can log all those and we can see till where our code is running, what value is coming our way and what is not coming our way. Actually, you will understand these things properly in server-side script because a proper debugging will be there. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.